Hello friends, we are back with question number 21 of December 2019. As the exam is approaching very fast, hope you guys are working day and night and putting your hard work for the subject. So keep working hard and keep learning the subject. So according to question number 21, what it says that the ability of an ecosystem to recover when the system has been disturbed by any perturbation, right, is known as. So guys, this is just a very common question from ecology and multiple times it has been asked. So the correct answer is resilience. So whenever in any ecosystem you disturb that ecosystem, or the natural setting of the ecosystem is disturbed by any perturbation or any changes, then the ecosystem try to recover, right? So it has a natural ability that it will bounce back, and that property is known as resilience, as given in option number 4. So fourth is the correct answer. So now let's see something about this process which you called as resilience, and some more detailed explanation about this question. So ecosystem are subject to natural disturbances such as fire, flood, drought, disease, outbreak, as well as human caused disturbances are seen, including soil, oil spill. Ecosystem are also subjected to slowly changing long-term stress, such as nutrient enrichment and change in sediment supply. So a resilience framework focuses attention on shocks, pulse disturbances, long-term stress disturbances, and the response of complex systems to these shocks. So it will try to take out the natural state of the ecosystem, right? Then resilience provides us a useful conceptual framework for monitoring complex system. It focuses attention on system dynamics and how systems are affected by short-term disturbance and long-term stress. So this was about resilience, and it is important in reviving the system. So this was about resilience. So you can see that environment resilience index, which is being calculated like this. So hope you are clear about this, and you are working hard for your upcoming exam. Our best wishes for you guys and good luck for exam. Keep enjoying the subject, keep working hard. Thank you.